Hi guys, thank you for watching. Welcome to this video and to my channel if you're new here. My name's Debbie if you don't know me. And in today's video, I'm just going to do a little Valentine's tutorial. I thought the day is fast approaching and you guys might need a little bit of inspiration of what looks you can do in the sort of red theme. So I've got my sweater on with hearts on it. I'm all ready to go and I've pulled out a classic, the Blood Sugar by Jeffree Star. Not used this on camera for a long time. And I'm super excited for the new palette that's coming out, which I'm hoping can be purples, but we'll find out very soon. You might even know by the time this video goes up. But this came out 2 years ago and I had it from right at the beginning of the launch, and I think I've only used it a few times, and I really do love the quality of this one and the shades. I'm a red eyeshadow lover, so really looking forward to doing this tutorial and playing with these shades again. So I'm going to scooch you in and we'll get started, and I'm just going to do something very Debbie, very red, very winged out shape in the corners and a bit of sparkle on the lids, I think. So that's the plan for today. Whenever I do film with this, I'll remember why I don't, because it's very difficult to get into shot and keep quite close up to show you the shades, but hopefully this is okay. So I'm going to go in with Fresh Meat in my outer corner. I'm going to start with that shade. Going to be deepening up in my outer corner with some of these shades. As I say, something a bit lighter on the lids. So I've primed the matte painterly paint pot, not set it, and I'm going to go straight in. And I'm going to use a pencil brush just to map out the shape where I want the wing to be. Not a wing as such, but the winged out shape. You get what I mean? And I'm also going to bring that onto the lower lash line as well, which helps with getting that shape, for me at least. And then I'm just going to bring that shape across to kind of meet up with my eyelid there. Same shade, same pencil brush. Not too concerned with what's going on my lids because I'm going to be covering all that up with other colours and shimmers and whatnot, so it doesn't matter too much. This is just the tracing paper of the look, really, just to get the shape down, because I didn't want to use tape today because my face makeup's looking okay and I don't want to wreck it, because this is much easier with tape for me. But I'm going to go into the outer V now with the shade Extraction. I'm just going to pack that in the outer V and pretty much fill in the gap of the line that we've created there. Just using pressing kind of motions to really get that pigment to pack a punch. And then into Coma to really intensify that outer corner. I do love the formula for these, that you can layer them over one another. I think this is still one of the best palettes he's ever come out with. I think for me, because I love the colour story so much anyway, but I think the quality of the shadows in these ones have never really been matched. They're just so good. So we're pretty dark and dramatic and winged out now, but I do want to soften the top line there. So I'm going to go back in with Fresh Meat and probably Cherry Soda as well. Mix of those two just to blend across the top. But what I don't want to do is touch this line. I want to keep that nice and crisp today. So I'm just going above and towards my brow. And with the lighter shade Cherry Soda, I'm going to bring that now more towards my nose. I've got a super flexible brush here by So by Suzanne Jackson, part of the Urban Rebel brush collection. I love this one for this purpose. So I'm just taking a very tiny amount of this shadow, a bit at a time, because what I don't want is to ruin the shape in the outer corner or for things to get out of control too quickly. So I'm literally just dipping to the pan, picking up the shade, blending, and then doing the same again. Now I'm using a lot more of cherry soda as I go up towards my brow, a lot less of fresh meat. I want to make that cherry soda colour really visible in the look and to see the gradient between the two as such. Now into Tongue Pop to further carry on with the blend. Same brush, haven't changed brush, I just want to ensure that we get a blend there, so I'm just kind of using what was on the brush from the cherry soda shade and mixing it with this Tongue Pop shade. I'm taking that right up to my brow pretty much. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Prick and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Just packing that on, really want the colour payoff strong on that shade. Now just in the centre, I could have kept this completely matte and it does look quite nice, but I want a little bit of a sparkle just in the centre. So I'm going to go in with the shade Sweetener to do that. I've sprayed that with setting spray just to get that to show just a little bit more because it's going on top of a matte. I just want that just as a spotlight just in the centre of the look there. Just want to deepen my crease a little bit with Fresh Meat, the colour we started with that we did the mapping out of the wing shape with. Just to really bring a little bit more intensity. Not that this look isn't intense enough, but just really want that crease to be strong. Now in with Anger Mood by Linda Hallberg in my waterline. And then for this little part that we've got left with no shadow on my lower lash line, I'm going to use the shade Prick just to give a little pop of brightness there. And then in with that Sweetener shade again that we used for the pop of brightness in the centre of the lid, just using that as a little bit of an inner corner highlight just to tie things together. Such a pretty shade. Love that pinky gold duochrome that it has, it's stunning. Okay guys, so that's the look to this point. Just going to hop off camera for a trace of black liner, mascara and probably a red lip I think. So this is going to be a dramatic look, but I'll be back with you to show you in just a couple of seconds. Okay guys, so here's the finished look for this one. Really love how this turned out. This is my kind of eyeshadow, my kind of lipstick, and I thought it was Valentine's Day, I could get away with pairing the two together and just really feel like myself in this kind of look. So I hope you've enjoyed watching me create it. It's the sort of look that I love to do, so really enjoyed filming it. The lipstick I've gone for is Uncensored by Fenty Beauty. Went with this because it is super long wearing, it's a lovely shade of red and I think it will last all day. I'm going to work now so I wanted it to last. The only thing I find with these is you do have to use a lip liner to get the shape, otherwise the doe foot being quite round on the end I tend to go over the lines a bit. So I've been careful to lip line, which I've used a lip liner by Urban Decay, this one's 714. But love how it's turned out, as I say. If you want to see some more Valentine inspired content from me, then let me know. There's still a bit of time, so I could probably schedule in another couple of red based tutorials and maybe mix things up a little bit with some other other shades in with it, like silvers, golds, maybe do something gothy with black. So play with kind of the Valentine theme. If you're interested to see that, because I would love to film it, then please drop a comment down below and let me know. But if you've made it to the very end, please drop an emoji down in the comments. Something Valentine's related would be very appropriate for this one. But thank you for watching, guys. Much appreciated. Hope you're having a lovely day or night wherever you are. If you're not subscribed and you want to be, then I'd love to have you. But that's it for now. Catch you in the next one. Bye.